Okay, the start of lesson 87. Lesson 87 is more on systems of equations, more test for functions. Now remember, a function is like a line you can graph, okay? So we have circles and parabolas. They're different. They're kind of beyond the scope of this class. But functions, there is a very simple function test. And the function test is if I can draw a vertical, say this is our graph, okay, of a line. And if I can draw a vertical line and only hit one point or intersect one point of the graph in any vertical line I draw, then I have a function. Yes. A circle, unlike a circle, this vertical line test will hit the circle in 2 points. This is not a function. Okay, there is an equation to graph a circle, but it is considered not a function. Okay, so that's pretty easy. If I have a line that looks like that, well, that passes the vertical line test. I can draw a vertical line through it, so yes, it is a function. That's basically all that they're covering here in this section, except for one other thing, and we did do a little bit of this. This is doing these specific kinds of problems that have subscripts, and I'll do one for you. So that, because we didn't review these a whole lot. And remember, now these are just unknowns. One unknown. So think of it that way. RE equals 200. RW equals 250. And then we have TE plus T. W equals 9, and then it says find TE and TW. So we'll just begin by replacing, okay? We're going to replace. So RE, here's this is the equation we're going to start working with. So we can put an RE and an RW in here. So we're going to replace the RE with the number 200. And TE, we can redo this and set TE over here. We could say, let's see, TE, TW, it doesn't matter whichever one you want to switch around here. You're going to get the same answer. TE, say TE equals, working from this right here, you're going to minus this TW to both sides, so you're going to end up 9 minus TW. So TE equals 9 minus TW, and that equals RW over here, which is 250. And you can do the same thing. Let's see, you can make, and then TW, right. Okay, so you will either switch this to TE or TW. It doesn't matter, whichever way you do it. Now we have an unknown here at the bottom of TW. And we can distribute this, and we get 1,800 minus 200 TW equals 250 TW. Then plus the 200 TW here, and plus the 200 TW here, and we get 450 TW equals 1,800. Then just divide both by 450, 450, and you get TW is equal to 4. So when TW is equal to 4, go back up here to this equation. What is TE equal to? 5. Right? 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so we did a few of these. You've been doing a few of these. So we're just going to give you a few more to do. Just remember, these are like one unknown with a little subscript. Just think of it that way. Okay, so that concludes lesson 87.